What's going on, guys? Welcome to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how to stop power steering noises and how to stop leaks too. This is a quick video. If you guys are having this issue that your power steering is super loud and you guys want to fix it, also it will stop leaks. So I'm going to show you in detail how to fix that. This is just like a quick fix. Obviously there is nothing better than just replacing the parts. For new parts, that's the best thing you can do, but I mean, my channel is about quick fixes and that's what I'm going to show you today. And for that, let me show you what's going on with the noise. You guys can hear the noise? If you guys can hear the noise, that's what we're gonna be fixing today, and it's pretty simple. I hope you guys get to hear the noise. Look. Okay, so I'm gonna stop the car now. So for that, we are gonna use this thing called power steering repair. I have used it multiple times and it does a really good job, and I'm gonna go in detail on how to properly use it, so that way you don't waste your money and you get a good outcome and get the power steering noise fixed and also the oil leaks from the power steering system. So for that reason, we're gonna use this bottle. Guys can get it at Walmart, RSULT, Target, or also you guys can look it up here on my Amazon account. Just go to the description and you can just click on that link, and you guys can buy it for cheaper actually from Amazon. So I'll just put the link down there below this video. So this is what we're gonna use. Also, we are gonna be using this. It's called Turkey Buster. You guys can buy it at Walmart. It's only like $2, and I'm gonna show you in detail why you need this. So you need this, and also a container, an empty bottle, and I'm gonna show you why you need it. So let's go outside. 1 second. So let's go outside and show you why you guys need it. All right, guys. Here we are. You just gotta find the power steering reservoir, which is this one on this car. This is a 2008 Hyundai, I think it's a Sonata, something like that. So well, this is the reservoir where the oil is. So in this case, this is the power steering. So this is this one doesn't have any leaks at all. No, the system doesn't have any leaks, but it's making that weird noise. So for that reason, we're gonna use this one. It works for stopping the leaks and also stopping the noise, and it works really good. So for that, we're gonna take the cap out just like that, and you're gonna grab these and go inside here and bring it out. Oh shit. Alright, guys, so we are ready to start working on this whining noise. And like I said, you guys can buy this one at Walmart, but when you guys buy it, pay attention to buy. There's different options. Like this one had the tip too thick, and it couldn't go in there because the tip was too thick. So I ended up putting like a straw in there with some tape. But there's some other ones that they have the tip so thinner. I mean, so those are the ones you guys can get. It's the same price. It's just that I didn't pay attention and I had to do this little thing to be able to use this. So either way, so what you're gonna do right now is as you can see right now, the power steering fluid, it's up to the lower level, but still pretty good. If I put some of that in, it's gonna overflow the reservoir. So what I'm gonna do right now is gonna get some of that power steering out with this. So you just put it in and check this out. So you get as much as you can, because you want to put like all the bottle in there. So try to take as much as you can and just throw it in there. Make sure you don't make a mess just like me, right? So get as much as you can out. See, get it all out, all good. So I'm gonna stop the video right now, and I'm gonna get most of the oil out, and then I'll just record when I put it in, so I don't make a mess here. So alright, guys, I already took most of that power steering fluid out, and I'm ready to put this in. I forgot to grab a funnels, man. Well, So just put it very careful, put as much as you can, because you want to have as much of this solution in there. And also once you put it on, you gotta drive it for a few days until the noise, well, it's gonna go away pretty quick. So you guys see that it's already on tap capacity, and that's where it needs to be, right on maximum. So don't put more than that. I already put like half of the bottle. So imagine, that's what I did. I had to get most of the power steering fluid out with this to be able to at least put half of that. Imagine if it was full and you start putting that thing on, you're not gonna see results. So that's why you gotta use this turkey buster to get most of that oil out, and then fill it up with that. So as of right now, I'm just gonna put the cap on and put this on, like cover this up. I mean, that's it. So I'm gonna put this right here on, probably in the back seat. Yeah, I also gotta replace the mirror, but clean your hands. So as of right now, this car is ready to be ready to drive. So I'm gonna show you and see. It's gonna take a good day to be able to get most of the noise out. Like it can reduce the entire noise. I've done it multiple times, guys. Honestly, that thing works really good, but you gotta do the procedure that I just told you. So let's go for a quick test drive and see if it is working. It's gonna take a minute for the, so once you do that, you come to the car and start turning the, you see it's already gone. You guys don't hear the noise already, huh? It's gone. The noise is gone, my friends. It was super fast. You guys can hear the noise? If you guys can hear the noise, that's what we're gonna be fixing today. And it's pretty simple. I hope you guys get to hear the noise. Friends, it was super fast this time. Usually it takes like a good minute to drive it around. So all you gotta do is just do the, turn the power steering back and forth, and that's it, guys. The noise is gone. Woohoo! So that's how you fix a noisy car. Well, there's nothing better like replacing the parts, right? But if you're having the noise and you don't want to spend that much money and also fix some leaks, this is the way to go, guys. Hey, if you guys like the video, please subscribe to my channel where I show you like quick fixes on how to fix everything but for cheaper. Obviously I could have shown you the video how to replace those parts, but this channel, it's about how to do quick fixes, and that's what I just show you guys. Alright guys, I hope you guys like the video, and look, the noise is gone. Take care, guys. Please subscribe to the channel.